What does unscheduled maintenance cost you in terms of lost production as well as associated costs? Australian Mining Products and Services. Repair bandages. Instant leak seal. And underwater leak seal with self-fusing silicone tape, as well as our quick repair clamps to instantly seal leaks in pipes and plant, can reduce these unbudgeted breakdown costs. Magnetic wear patches placed externally over fissures allow continuation of production to the next scheduled maintenance shutdown. Magnetic wear liners reduce installation time drastically, maximizing efficiency and minimizing downtime. Use available hand tools and unskilled labor to safely effect and install quickly. Motorized and permanent magnetic pulleys deliver unparalleled performance efficiencies while reducing energy cost. Permanent magnet pulley can also help remove tramp metal without the need of additional conveyor magnets. Ceramic in alumina, reaction bonded silicon carbide or zirconia toughened alumina wear mats, tiles can be supplied ready to install or to specification, reducing both installation time and costs. Our commitment to long-term after-sales service, product information and continuous product and process improvement, and delivery to meet short lead times for premium product at very affordable prices makes us the benchmark to be achieved. Contact us now on 1300241620 or email us at sales@australianminingservices.com.au to improve on operational outcomes. Increase product safety and delivery, continuous improvement with increased reliability.